Okay, so here is the preparation part for the pork, the fried pork. So here in this pot I have maybe about 4 pounds of pork that I have cut up and I have washed with lime and vinegar. And I'm going to add the seasonings. So I'm going to add in some cloves. I'm going to sprinkle in some adobo, some garlic powder, some black pepper, some garlic salt. I'm going to put in one of these Maggi packets or cube packets. It comes in a powdered form. I'm going to add in some fresh thyme leaves. And I'm going to put in 2 Scotch bonnet pepper. And the key ingredient that I had showed you in the last video, the épices, I'm going to add it in and I'm going to season this up. Stay tuned. I'll come back and show you the rest. Okay, I'm back. So this is the seasoning I have mixed up. I used a spoon and just stirred the seasoning up. And I'm going to add in some boiling water, which I had boiling on low heat. I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to add in some boiling water. And I'm just going to let this cook on a low heat for about an hour or less. Maybe I'll come back and check it. So it might not be a full hour. But I'm going to come back and let the pork cook until it's tender. And when it's cooked till it's tender and it's ready, I'll come back and I'll show you the finished tutorial of how you fry it and the gravy or the little sauce that you can make to pour over it. Alright, so stay tuned. Hey guys, I'm back with the last and final part of the fried pork. So here's the pork. It is pretty soft. It has been cooked tenderly. And I'm going to fry it now. So I have some oil that I have heated on the stove in my Dutch pot. And I also poured the juice from the pork in this bowl. And I'm going to use it to make a gravy that we can use over the rice and also over the pork. So because there's liquid on the pork, you have to be very careful. I try to drain off as much as possible. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add in some of this pork in the hot oil. Careful not to burn myself. It's kind of hard because I'm one-handed. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add it in. And I'm not going to fry it for long. I'm just going to fry it until it browns. Be careful you don't get popped. I'm just going to fry it until it browns and then take it right back out. Stay tuned. I'll come back and show you the finished result. Frying the pork. Haitian fried pork. Griots.